Welcome back to another daily edition of Big Al's Barber Vlogs. Today is Friday, guys. Friday. Headed to the shop right now. About 8:15. We technically open at 9. But this morning I don't have no early appointments, so I'm gonna grab me a cup of coffee. Probably some McDonald's. And then head to the shop, get started on this day, guys. I appreciate you guys watching. If you guys aren't subscribers, please join the team. Hit the little bell button right there. I'm at 515 subscribers right now. I'm on my way to 1,000, guys. My way to 1,000. I haven't forgotten that for 1,000, I'm going to give away a cordless 5-star. Yes, a cordless 5-star. I'm going to purchase a brand new one and give it away, guys. So make sure you guys are subscribers, because you can't win this machine if you guys aren't subscribers. So yesterday was Thursday. I was short-handed. I'm back to being a little short-handed, so I'm trying to find a licensed barber right now to work. So right now I'm a little short-handed. So yesterday we worked with 3 guys. 3 guys isn't too bad. I mean, we could get through with 3 guys, but it was it was extremely busy yesterday again, and so I'm in the midst of trying to hire another barber right now. So I haven't been able to find one. So I'm just gonna be patient and just keep grinding, grind through this. Of course, I don't want to be working this hard. Remember, this is the whole point of doing appointments. But the appointment thing is going smooth. It hasn't taken off the way I want it to, but you know what? It's moving along. People are booking, and they're booking early. And my customers that are used to coming in early are finding it harder to get in. So they're starting to get a little irritated, and I've been telling them, like, it's to your advantage to book an appointment. It's easier, it's faster, it's it's better. But of course, the money thing, it's a little bit more, so they always tend to veer away. So you know what? I figure the customers that value me and value my time will book accordingly, and the rest is that they're willing to wait, then they're willing to wait. I'm still going to be doing extra haircuts. It doesn't seem like I'm doing my half-hour haircut and that's it. It seems like I've been blowing through the haircuts anyway and doing extras to try to get people out of the barbershop, because, like I said, it's been extremely busy. And when it's extremely busy, you just gotta keep grinding through it. Grind. That's what it's all about. So, guys, I'm gonna grab myself a donut, head to the shop, get started on this day. You guys have a blessed day. Grind on, guys. Grind on. If you guys ain't up right now, man, this is Friday. What's going on? What's going on? Like, how are you going to call yourself a barber if you're still asleep? It's 8:15 right now in the morning, and the barber business is an early morning business, guys. Believe me or not. If your barbershop don't open till 10, guess what? Ask your owner for the key. He'll let you have the key. Tell him you need to get there at 9. Like, show your boss that you want to do something. You know what I mean? That's what it's all about, guys. All right, guys. I'm going to get this donut and head to the shop, get started on this day.
It's our tears that I feel up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, oh, but I can't get back. What can I do, oh, when your train is gone? I don't wanna go back, don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, do you read me? Go back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back.
It's about 4 o'clock right now. About 1 more hour left. Actually, a pretty slow day today. Really slow day compared to most Fridays. I kind of been standing around, so maybe the last couple hours I have. But we still got 1 more hour left with the boys right here. They're staying busy. Just passing on the haircuts to them. So we'll finish this off this day, and then I'll get back with you guys. Okay, ready? Ready, set, go.
Vamos a bailar.
For today, guys, this day is over. Guys are still finishing up inside, but I'm just gonna go do the box, pay them all out, and then just finish this day for the day, guys. It was a pretty relatively busy day. A lot of people came through. I personally myself, I wasn't too busy, but I let the other guys do some work because today we had 5 barbers, so 5 barbers was a good amount for a Friday. So if you guys have any questions, any comments, anything you guys want me to talk about, guys, make sure you guys comment below. Let me know what you guys think about the videos I've been posting. I've been filming a lot of my videos with my good camera instead of using my phone. So just trying to step up my game with the videos. So I'm thinking they're coming out pretty good. The good thing is I've been filming a lot of videos for tutorials. So I'm gonna have a couple more tutorials coming out in the near future. The video that I did on a haircut yesterday on a comb over came out really good, so I'm gonna make that into a tutorial for sure. So I got some new tutorials coming out pretty soon, got new things coming out, guys. Remember, when I reach that 1,000 subscribers, I am gonna give away a cordless Wahl senior, so you need to subscribe. And with that being said, guys, see you guys tomorrow. You guys have a blessed night.